are welcome to my YouTube channel, Akeem. We have another topic today, and the topic we are going to consider today is equation involving fraction. Remember what I say concerning equation? Every equation must have an equality sign, and that is what we have here. And what is a fraction? A fraction I always express as A and B. Anything that have numerator and denominator is a fraction. So we have a combination of equation and fraction. How do we go about solving these? We have the first question solution. We have the first one, x all over 3 minus x all over 7. Solving a fraction involve finding the LCM of the denominators. And here we have 3 and 7. Of course, the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So after getting the LCM, we can now perform the normal thing you have been doing. And that is what we are going to have here. The LCM is 21. 3 in 21, that is 7. 7 times x will give us 7x. Minus 7 in 21, that is 3. 3 times x will give us 3x. And don't forget, you already have your 12 here. So from here, 7x minus 3x will give us 4x. That means we are going to have 4x all over 21 is equal to 12 over 1. From here, we can cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you have something like this. So if you cross multiply, you are going to have 4x times 1 is now equal to 21 times 12. 4x times 1 will give us 4. So I have 4x is equal to 21 times 12. I can divide both sides by 4. If I divide both sides, 4 we cancel here. 4 here is 1, 4 here is 3. So my x now will now be equal to 21 times 3, which is 63. So anytime you are asked to solve, that means there is a letter in the question. They want you to get the value of that particular letter. And the letter in question number 1 is x. And we have been able to find the value of that x. Now let's move to the second question. If you look at the second question, we have 5p minus 4, 6 minus 2p plus 1 all over 5 is equal to 0. For us to solve this particular question, if you notice very well, you notice that we have left hand side and right hand side. And so far our right hand side is 0. This is the right hand side. The right hand side, we only have a 0 here. I can move this one to this side. I can move the second term here to the other side. If I should move it to the other side, that means I'm going to have 5p minus 4 all over 6, which is now equal to 2p plus 1 all over 5. So from here, I have a fraction here. I have a fraction here. You know when this one comes here, the sign will change. It is negative here. When you add it to 0, it will become positive. So from here, we can now cross multiply. If you cross multiply, this one will multiply this, why this will multiply this. That means we are going to have, this one will multiply this, you have 5 into 5p minus 4 is now equal to this 6 into 2p plus 1. So from there, I can now open the bracket and expand. If I open the bracket, we have this times this will give us 25p minus this times this will give us 20. Is now equal to 6 times 2p. That will give us 12p. And 6 times 1 will give us 6. So from here, I can now collect like terms. Anything that have to do with p will move to this side. And anything that have to do with the constant will move to the other side. If you do that, you are going to have 25p. This one will come here, the sign will change to minus 12p. is now equal to 6 that is already here. This one we join it, then you have plus 20. So 25p, this one is 25p. 25p minus 12p will give us 13p. We have 13p, which is now equal. 6 plus 20 will give us 26. I can divide both by the coefficient of p, which is 13. 13. So this one we cancel. 13 here is 1, 13 here is 2. So therefore, our p is equal to 2. No, now I want to believe that you can solve question on equation involving fraction very well. Next time, we'll take it on from here. Take care and God bless.